Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Wendy Haney. By the time you're watching it, this video will come out on Friday, January 6th. And I really thought by now I'd be doing tutorial videos again, but sadly I'm not. But a huge improvement. As you can see, I'm in a new YouTube video space. Yep, we have our table set up, our lighting. Lighting is still a little off, maybe. I have a lot better lights above. So we're going to tweak that. But I have it up, and so I wanted to give you an update. I made huge progress in the fact that we've got the cutting table I work on for videos is up and it's running, and I'm doing this video for you from this place. That is huge. But sadly, I have one sewing machine out of the box, and it's sitting on a table that's kind of buried. So yeah, kind of there, but not quite. I really had hoped to have more done, but sadly, Saturday I came down with a bit of a cold, but silly me, heaven forbid I should relax and take care of my health. Instead, I kept pushing and unboxing and pushing and unboxing and running outside when it was damp and had chilly. And now my cold is worse and it's in my chest and I'm coughing, and yeah. So tonight, no unpacking, it's time for the couch. But I wanted to give you an update. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch to my phone camera and I'm gonna walk through and show you what we've got going on. We are getting close, and I so appreciate everybody hanging in there with me. We're loving, excuse me, we're loving Tennessee, and thunderstorms in January that we're having now sure beats the heck out of the 10 to 14 inches they're getting in Minnesota, southwest Minnesota right now. And sorry, friends and family in Minnesota, you've had a really tough winter, and it's only the 3rd of January. So don't miss it. Okay, so I'm going to give you a walkthrough, and then you'll know where I'm at, and hopefully in 2 weeks I'll be back with a real video. Okay, so here we go with our space. There is the video table all set up. Yes, got some extra stuff sitting on top of it, but I was able to do a video. We're getting close. Got another set of shelves that are going to go up there and hold things. Yeah, we've got that. Here, I'm going to put my ironing table. And then over here, as you can see, sewing machines are in the boxes. Yeah, there we go. There's a sewing machine there. We just can't get to it. So yeah, basically what we did was we got a lot of stuff unpacked, things on shelves so that we could make a path. I've got plumbers coming tomorrow, which is the 4th of January, to finish putting in the plumbing and fixtures for my bathroom in the basement. Yay, can't wait. So we needed to make a space in the floor for them to get through everything. And so, yeah, still a lot of stacks, but look at here. That's actually not too bad. And I actually have tables up ready for the sewing machines. So once the plumbers are out of here and I can do some more things and I'm feeling better, we'll be in good shape. Lots of fabric out of boxes. Basically, the situation was get it out of a box and get it on a shelf. It's thrown on a shelf haphazardly, and it's all going to need to be organized later. There's my long arm. Look at there, I have floor space. This is where the long arm's gonna go. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. It's one of those things that, let's see, where do I look over there? It's one of those things where, yeah, you got to make a mess, get it out of the boxes so I know what I've got, throwing it on shelves. Then yes, there's going to be a lot of time over the next few months of organizing it and et cetera, et cetera. But for now, I'm almost ready to do some sewing, and I'm having serious withdrawals, not having been on a sewing machine for cripes. Well, since Quilt Retreat at the end of October. So I need my sewing machine, people. So take care. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully in 2 weeks there'll be a better video, a real one. Thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single video I published, hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell icon. And that way you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. But you can also find me over on Facebook. Facebook.com/Wendy, the initial J, Haney. Or I have a Facebook group for those of you that love quilting, needlework, books, wine, and wellness. You can find that at facebook.com/groups/lifefulfilled. The name of the group is Life Fulfilled Quilting, Needlework, Books, Wine, and Wellness. You can also find me over on my website, wendyjhaney.com. I will be doing more blogging over there eventually. As I get more of my videos done, I'll be blogging about those. But also, maybe you see some things that I'm making here and you're going, ooh, wow, I just don't want to make that myself. Well, a lot of those products will end up over there on the website that you can purchase for your friends and family. Once again, thank you so much for your support, and I appreciate you watching.